All right, so you've got to have Adobe Acrobat Reader on your phone. So this is my daughter Tyra's iPhone. How you doing, Tyra?
Good.
Awesome.
So,
all right. So
first we're gonna download Adobe.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, and then after you download Adobe, which she
Yeah.
has it downloaded, that's why it says open.
That's
now
what it says open. It's right on my phone right here.
Okay. Now go to email.
You're gonna go to the email.
And you're gonna click on the download page.
And then you're going to click.
You can just hit the
download all. Or
yeah, any of those will do it.
And then it's just going to be like a couple minutes. It's going to download.
It's going to take about a minute, so we're going to pause the video so you don't have to sit here for a minute. It is 11:11, so that's pretty cool.
That is cool.
Okay, so make a wish. It's 11:11, and then we'll be right back.
Right.
Okay, so you can see now it's 11:12. So it took about a minute, maybe 90 seconds to download it. And now that you're downloading it, right now, you're actually viewing it through the Safari browser.
Yeah.
And this link is going to expire in 7 days. And so you don't want to watch it through the Safari browser. Again, this is an iPhone. So instead, watch Tyra really closely here. There's a little
box with an arrow right down here.
Yep.
So you're going to click that. It's just going to take like a couple seconds.
Okay, and that's going to give you an option around like how you want to save it to your device, right? Okay. Once you hit that, there it is. Okay,
now,
so it pops this up.
And if you scroll down, you can either save to files, but we just did Adobe Acrobat and it says open in Acrobat down here.
Yep. Okay, go ahead and open in Acrobat. Yep.
So after you're all signed in here, it should be able to open. And now it's
okay.
here.
And see that little AI assistant down there? As soon as you just tap on the screen, go ahead and just tap. That will go
Disappear,
away.
Yeah.
Now scroll down a little bit. Go ahead and click. And these are linkable. So if it's not linking for you, it's not in Adobe Acrobat. So that's going to be the challenge. One other thing is we want to make sure we have it. You have it saved to your device. So when you open it in Adobe, like we just showed you, it automatically will save it, and Tyra will show you by it. See the little home tab in the upper left corner?
A little home right there.
Yep,
click on that guy, and then it's right here.
And
it's in recent.
And there it is. Yeah. Okay, and then you can just click on that to reopen it. And in the future, if you need to find it, you'll have the Adobe icon on your, on where all your apps are. Let's actually show them that. Okay, Tyra, so let's leave this now and show them how to come back to it. So just go to your home screen.
So on my home screen.
You're doing other stuff,
Blah, blah, blah.
Blah, blah, blah. You come back.
I come back. I want to go back to it.
Yep.
It's here. Or if you're at your home, then you can just open this again.
Yeah. Yeah. So Adobe is your link to get into the manual. Okay.
Right.
All right. So that's it. Hopefully that helps. And Tyra, nice nails, by the way.
Thanks.
Very pretty. All right. Have a beautiful day.